Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to share a note on your iPhone or iOS device. So go ahead and open up the Notes app right here. So go ahead and open up the Notes app and you'll see a list of your notes or maybe your folders. Go ahead and find the note that you want to share. So you can either create a new note by tapping on the pencil icon there at the bottom of your screen, and then just go ahead and create that note or locate the note that you want to share. And once here on this specific note, you can do a couple of things. But the easiest way of doing this is by tapping on the three horizontal dots there surrounded by a circle at the upper portion of your screen. And by tapping on that, you'll see all of the settings in which you can do with this specific note. The one that we want to use obviously is Share Note right there with the little person icon on it. And then once we tap on Share Note, you can do this a number of ways. You can email or message or whatever it may be. I prefer the message option, but if you want, you can swipe to the right or left there and see other options. And then the easiest one, other than messages, would be copy link. You can just copy a link to that note. And once you do that, you can either find that once you've copied the link, or you can even tap into the email addresses or phone numbers where you want to send the link to. So that's it, really. You just tap on the three horizontal dots there, go to Share Note, and then decide which way you want to share the note, whether it be email, messages, social media. And then if you want to see what this looks like right here when someone sends or receives a note via messages, you can see that it says the name of the note and then the word notes there, and then you just basically tap on that, and it should open up the Notes app, taking you directly to that note or shared note, and you all can now type and edit and do all the things you would need to do on this one note. Great for like husband and wives if they want to have a shared grocery list or whatever it may be, but it's just a wonderful feature and tool. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.